morning, Geethika.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is geethika.
Which class are you studying in?
I am studying in UKG.
What is your school name?
My school name is Kidz.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Lavanya. Rajesh.
What is your father's name?
Rajesh.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Lavanya.
What is your sister's name?
My sister's name is Kidz.
Okay. Tell any one story in English. Say, start.
Once a fox was very hungry. He touched for food. At last, he ate a bunch of chocolate, handing to Grapefruit. Wow, those grapes were properly very tall.
Wow, those grapes look delicious.
Wow, those grapes look delicious. I am so hungry, so he jumped and jumped, but he could not reach the grapes. They were too high. Hopped angry and went away. Those grapes were properly very tall. Good, I couldn't reach them.
Okay, very good. Tell any two rhymes in English. Johnny as Papa.
Johnny ate Papa. Eating sugar, no Papa. Telling lies, no Papa. Open your mouth,
Another rhyme.
Chichi michalu, tetu kinda poti. Buttamandu chetti, Marilu katti. Allavadintiki, Challapu poti. Allavadi kukka, bau mannadi. Shankalo Papa can mannadi. Puttalo Papa.
Okay. Recognize the letters, okay, alphabets. Tell spelling of apple.
Apple, apple.
What is the spelling of cat?
Cat.
What is the spelling of fan?
F-I.
Okay. What is the spelling of fish?
F-I. F-I-S-H fish.
What is the spelling of jug?
Jug. J-U-G. Dog.
What is the spelling of nest?
N-E-S-T. Net.
What is the spelling of sun?
S-T.
S-U.
S-U-I.
S-U-N.
S-U-N.
Sun.
S-U-N.
Okay. What is the spelling of zebra?
Zebra.
Say zebra spelling.
Z.
Okay, enough. Recognize the EVS, okay? What is this picture?
Carrot.
What is this picture? What is this picture?
Tomato.
What is this picture?
Lady finger.
What is this picture?
Cabbage.
What is this picture?
Bangal.
Say English. Speak in English. What is that picture? What is this picture? Okay. Ante?
Amma.
Ante?
Uventuruta.
Ante?
Kante.
Say. What is the picture? Gante?
Gante.
Say. What is this picture?
Gadi.
Say loudly. Gadiyaram.
Gadiyaram.
What is this picture?
Chanche. Chatram.
This picture? What is this picture? Chante?
Chatram.
Chakram.
Chakram.
Jante?
Jada.
Tante?
Tante. Tala.
Dante?
Dante. Banam.
Dhanasu.
Danatu.
Okay. We are going to Hindi, okay? Aase?
Ate.
What is the picture?
Danka.
Aase?
Ate.
What is the Aase?
Ate.
Aase?
Ate. Am.
Ise?
Ik. Ite.
First E. Ise?
Ite.
Himali.
Mali.
Ise?
Ite. Ik.
Okay. Use?
Ute. Uta. Uk.
Ullu.
Lu.
Ese?
Ete. Et.
Aise?
Aite. Ainak.
Kaase?
Kate.
Say.
Kate. Kate खरगोश.
Jase?
जाके झंडा.
Say rhyming words. Tell the spelling of rhyming words. Sit to spelling. Sit.
Attaiti titte.
Kit.
Kiati kitte.
Pit.
Piati pitte.
Okay. Pan spelling.
Pan pan pan.
Fan. Van.
Van.
Okay. We are going to additions, okay? Maths. You do this one. 8 plus 1, how much?
8 plus 1.
How much? You take 8 fingers. You take 8 fingers. Okay. You take 1 finger. 8 after number?
9.
You write here 9 spelling. Spelling 9 number. 8 plus 1, how much?
9.
8 plus 1?
9.
Okay. 4 plus 4?
4 plus 4.
You take 4 fingers. 4 after number?
5.
5 after number?
6.
6 after number?
7.
7 after number?
8.
4 plus 4?
8.
Right here. 4 plus 4?
8.
Okay. 2 2 plus 2.
2 plus 2.
You take 2 fingers. This one also. Count. Start. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
2 plus 2.
4.
Right. Spell. Here's your number. 4.
4.
Right properly. Right. Big. Okay. 2 plus 2.
4.
Okay. 2 plus 4.
2 plus 4.
You take 2 fingers. For after number.
5.
5 after number.
Ticked.
4 plus 2.
Ticked.
Right. Okay. 4 plus 2.
Ticked.
Okay. You write ka letter. Right. Telugu. Cha. Ta. Na. Ba. Big letter. Okay. You can show me that side. Okay, good girl. You write Hindi. Ha.
Ka.
Here write A.
Huh?
A. Hindi. Cha. Hindi cha. Here write. Yeah. Good girl. Okay. Tell any 2 slokas in Sanskrit. Say Asatoma Satyam. Asatoma Satyam.
Atatoma Tatmaya.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu. Say.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva,
Maheshwaraha.
Maheshwaraha,
Guru Sakshat.
Guru Takta, Parabrahma, Tatmaiti, Gurave Namaha,
Raghupati Raghava Rajaram.
Rabukati Raja, Raja,
Patita
Patintapa,
Sita.
Sitara.
Okay, okay. Now